The Korean War began in 1950 as tensions between North and South Korea ignited into conflict, drawing in global superpowers and marking a significant chapter in Cold War history. As the North invaded the South, international alliances formed quickly, leading to a unified response from the United Nations, primarily driven by the United States. The conflict turned brutal as both sides endured fierce battles with chilling winters and relentless fighting, leading to staggering casualties and a stalemate that would last for years. After 3 years of grueling conflict, the war officially ended in 1953 with an armistice agreement, leaving Korea divided and a lasting tension that still exists today. The aftermath of the Korean War left a devastated landscape and deep scars on the Korean people, as well as geopolitical ramifications that shaped U.S. and Soviet relations for decades. As years passed, the conflict faded from collective memory, yet the stories of bravery and loss persist, inspiring generations to remember the sacrifices made during the Korean War.